All right. So, Mr. Demons, you're facing 2 counts of premeditated murder, and the court does find probable cause. I further make a preliminary finding of proof evident presumption great. You will be held no bond.
Just read from the Broward County Sun Sentinel Time. Information was leaked out that the courts and the lawyers involved with the DEA and his whole actual team, they're fumbling this case. YNW Melly wins.
Whatsoever. He's fine. He's in great spirits. And he'll be home.
Ain't get to see my niggas, ain't get to hug my mama. Couldn't even give her no kisses. Can't even post on my Instagram, cause these pussy niggas be snitching everybody.
Right on the bed, grabbing the leg. She niggas scared, only feeling matter. Moving too slow, but it's time to go faster. Smoking on loud, your mic is about to blow. Look at your diamonds, them bitches don't go. Got fast for the low, but now that you know,
about the world trade with different centers. It was never 9/11 until the eclipse. The eclipse of the hieroglyphics was seeing genetic coding. Had to understand this wasn't made with no coding. This was a king copper, no copper with.
I love you too, bro. I appreciate it. I learned it all from you. You the big goat, bro.
all of my niggas be spazzing. We by that action. We finna cause a disaster.
Rock and roll.
All up in traffic. Got your bitch screaming free savage. I cannot fuck on a bitch. She is too average. All of these.
What's good, YouTube family? What's good, YouTube family, man? I'm your God Bless One, man. Before we get started with this party, man, first of all, hit your God Bless One for now. I'm just playing. That's a connect drop. Man, hey, shout out to all the plugs out there. I know in the world we living in dispensaries. Yeah, I got my weed card too, but do not forget the plug, man. Give love to all your plugs out there. Call your plug up right now and be like, my nigga, I love you. Before we get started, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you come rock with the IsmokeHiphop Nation family. Be part of me, Bless One, and our platform, and everybody is welcome on this platform. Let's get started, y'all. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? That man, YNW Melly from Gifford, South Florida. That boy about to come home. Oh, snap. What I told y'all. The state is lacking evidence and witness testimony according to DA speaking out of terms of some of the complex situation of the crime. Nigga, I don't want to curse in this video. Look, if you are a lawyer, watch who you talk to and what you say, because you're not supposed to show your chest move when you're in a legal battle, especially a situation of the nature and the horror and the graphic nature that is in right now. With
Jamel, remember, you don't speak to anyone but me or Mr. Cohn. Remember that, okay?
Is in right now. With YNW Melly's situation, according to sources, prosecutors are out here trying to get everything they could get on Melly, to the point people are asking him questions. One of the prosecutors' teams, because there's like 6 people in that process, the DA's team, district attorney that is, and they slipped up. The dude went on his Gmail and sent a letter that I don't know if they can narrow it down who hacked them or what, but reports are in that they have no evidence that actually ties YNW Melly to the crime other than his blood. Where sources, as we're reading the Sun Sentinel in Broward County, Florida, sources said lawyer leaked information allegedly regarding the DA's desperation in solving this case quick as possible, but leading to evidence has been strenuous and hard. A lot of the information is DNA. Now, here's my opinion. When you have DNA in these situations, of course your blood is going to be stained everywhere. Broken glass, you're around the vicinity of the situation in crime. So a lot of the cases, it's not a clear shut case, but you have his lawyers are going to use a cause as the state has no real proper cause, such as what the judge stated, because the evidence that they're using is the blood samples on all the pictures you're seeing here at the crime scene that the police released. In other words, YNW Melly might as well moonwalk and hit the Michael Jackson walk. Whew, that boy coming home soon. If the court cases continue to steady get delayed and pushed for further dates, Melly's lawyers actually allegedly is about to let Melly come home early, as far as saying he's not a danger to his community or society, and he has met due and paid restitution towards his previous crimes in the past. So Melly right now is sitting good, y'all. That's why they're happy. They get to chill. It's just that he has to go through the formality of things right now. But A-OK, he will be. Or what? But reports are in that they have no evidence that actually ties YNW Melly to the crime other than his blood, where sources said it's easy to get cut off the shards of glasses that was there or the rounds that was ricocheting. It was in a panic mode. Of course, bloods of your friends and loved ones are going to be on you if you're in the vicinity of the area, i.e. being that, you know, YNW Melly was right next to Sakchaser and Juvy. Lord rest the dead. Bless up for Sakchaser and Juvy. Now I know people are bringing, oh, he did this to the man's mom. You know, we don't know any of that. I'm not gonna bring that up. Oh, but the mom said it.
Threatening all her friends and all these people, like he's about this life. But I'm saying, like, who the fuck you ever robbed? Who the fuck you ever shot at? What the fuck you ever did? Nigga, you couldn't even take a fucking weed charge. If you don't sit your pussy ass down and don't ever come for me, because my credentials is real. It ain't even a joke. So don't ever try to come for me, because I don't even play them type of games. Like, what the fuck you got that I ain't got? Oh, you threaten me with your little gun? Bitch, I got big guns. On the end of the day,
Sakchaser and Juvy. Now I know people are bringing, oh, he did this to the man's mom. You know, we don't know any of that. I'm not gonna bring that up. Oh, but the mom said it. Stop trying to indict people. That's the problem with a lot of you bloggers. Instead of reporting the news, you try to amplify it to make newsworthy that's not even newsworthy or not even news in general. Now, what I'm bringing to you guys can go look it up, but let me just break it down because I'm happy, I'm enthusiastic. I don't support any personnel that have done wrong to people, but if the man is innocent, let him home. And according to what the state, you know, is bringing as evidence, I've always said that from the beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, what did they actually show you guys? You see YouTubers making,
but a pecan, thick bitch Puerto Rican, take you out to Paraguay,
that's right,
California for the weekend. I'm with Sack and Juvy, so you gotta bring about 3 friends.
Now apparently, if you've been following this case, then you can clearly see there was lazy investigation. There's no doubt that they wanted to just stop doing what they're doing and pin the crime on YNW Melly. Now, when they arrange him in court,
Mr. Demons at this time. Okay, don't speak to anyone. You understand that? Mr. Demons, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right.
Good morning, Eric.
Good morning.
Christine Bradley on behalf of the state. I've given to your honor, but specifically not to defense counsel, to preserve any rights of some of the co-defendants charged and uncharged at this point.
even the judge herself was questioning the evidence before her, but it was enough probable cause because of the DNA samples to bring the case. But through the hospital, through everything, I clearly seen a man that was clearly hurting for his friends, whether you believe it or not. But this is a guy that is in a situation that can actually help him. Even if he's found guilty, he can no doubt appeal this case because there's no physical evidence against him other than the DNA evidence and the projectile of the rounds that were fired into the vehicle of Sakchaser and Juvy when they met their demise that night. Man, this is a crazy case all in whole. Beginning. Ladies and gentlemen, what did they actually show you guys? You see YouTubers making videos. YNW Melly is gone forever. That man is a brother, son. He got people who love him. Like, who are you to just disperse in this? Oh, YNW Melly, we caught him. Here's the video of him admitting to the crime. Damn, my nigga, you should go work for Matlock. Sherlock Holmes, nigga. Like, what the hell? What's wrong with you, fam? I solved the case. Forgetting that most of the songs that you guys are using in reference to say that he did kill his friends, these are songs that he did well over 6, 7 to a year ago before the demise.
For the weekend, I'm with Sack and Juvy, so you gotta bring about 3 friends. Don't flex, don't.
We don't shine. To a year ago before the demise of his friends even happening. He was on Instagram Live. Look what he was. But when you watch the video, he's speaking about other things that has nothing to do with Sakchaser or Juvy. You know what I mean? And maybe the mom did say certain things, but wouldn't you say anything to free your loved ones?
He's fine. He's in great spirits, and he'll be home soon.
You know what I mean? And maybe the mom did say certain things, but wouldn't you say anything to free your loved ones? Come on, man. Like, this is crazy, man. I'm just happy that that boy's coming home, but never mind. We know the Florida Department of Justice, and we know how it rocks down here in Florida. We are a conservative state down here in Florida. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe in the American system of justice, but I also believe that human beings fall victim to their own sins. You know what I mean? So Melly has to really be careful here. It's not about how much money you're paying your lawyer. You can pay $1 million all day to a attorney. But if this dude is incompetent and he can't, you know, guide you to success, bro, like, there's nothing wrong in switching legal teams in the middle of your court position right now. But thank God, YNW Melly has Boosie's lawyer, to those who don't know. Boosie helped him out.
YNW Melly hired the same lawyers that you used for your murder trial.
Right.
You heard about this?
Yeah, I helped him out with that. I told him who to go get.
Some help. Free Melly. Aha. Okay. So you're saying that Melly's mom called you and said, "Hey, we don't know what to do. We need some help."
Nah, not like that. I was just reaching out and just letting them know that, you know, you need to get Jason Williams. I had other people reaching out to him. Everybody just telling them, "Hey, you go get Jason. You know, just go get Jason. You know, go get Jason."
The court position right now, but thank God, YNW Melly has Boosie's lawyer, to those who don't know. Boosie helped him out. YNW Melly made a call. "Man, I need your lawyer, man." Boosie like, say man, dawg, I ain't gonna lie to you, dawg. This nigga here, dawg. This nigga done free everything, dawg. Nigga sitting up here in the feds, dawg. Buying for my life, you know what I'm saying? I try to that Boosie voice. I'm gonna practice that bitch like one more time so I get that thing down pat. But I'm ecstatic, y'all. Y'all can say what y'all want, but that boy YNW Melly coming home, and no more murder on my mind. Yeah.
I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind. I got murder
Melly
on
coming
my
home,
mind.
and no more murder on my mind. Yeah. White cool Puerto Rican, big bitch Puerto Rican.
Maintain this lifestyle that I live, cause I am you and you are me.
Yeah. White cool Puerto Rican, big bitch Puerto Rican. Come home, Melly. And by the way, his little brother Slime. Hey, that's time to argue and fight back in my dreams.
Chillin' with your babe, towing the AK back in my dreams. To be G's, and you know I'm from the G. Wait a minute. Whoa, wait
his
a
little brother
minute.
Slime. Hey, that boy B Slime is popping right now. So whatever talent that you had, clearly your mom raised some great talented kids, man. We know I'm not gonna be one of the people, be in the life of your brother and no, we know you're keeping your brother on point. People don't know is YNW Melly is the one who's guiding B Slime like that. And he knew in advance what would have happened. I don't want to get into that now. We don't want to get anybody invited, but let's just say he knew his spidey senses that I'm gonna have to sit out for a while. Right after he just came out of jail, they locked him right back up. He wasn't even out for a whole month. So YNW Melly, this is great news, and I knew that from the beginning. The state doesn't have any real evidence. This is why they're elongating this court case, because they're hoping public opinion will help their case and be the end of your demise. And unfortunately, because of public opinion, because of these weirdo bloggers who have 100 videos about YNW Melly, he should be careful because they're out to get him. And we know that in this world we live today, the perception is everything, and that your innocence don't mean anything today. It's about fake outrage and public opinion. So unfortunately, a lot of these YouTubers out here who have videos talking about YNW Melly is guilty.
Free Melly, free Melly.
YNW Melly is guilty. We caught him here. Well, if YNW Melly should fall down to this court and justice system and be found guilty, just know it was not because of evidence. It was because of you people out here becoming Matlock and Sherlock Holmes, solving crimes that you can't even solve. Who stole your damn peanut butter the other? You can't even solve who took your PlayStation game back in 9th grade. But yet, you gonna be the dude that solved the YNW Melly. I can't with YouTubers though, man. I'm your God bless one, man. Like, share, and subscribe to this whole, man. Damn.
T-shirt and his family's traumatized. I didn't even mean to shoot him. He just caught me by surprise. I reloaded my pistol, cocked it back and shot him twice. His body dropped down.
And the whole trade you can cross that. No Catholic preacher, but just deliver like I got you. Holy Ghost, niggas do the most, and I can tell you, no reachers and no raptures, but you can catch them like you was creepers, and I come back just like it's the Reaper. Take your lights out, nigga, lost souls with the lost ones. Could you catch two? Now, nigga, this is a mathematics of a problem you can't solve.